Alright YouTube, how's it going? Here we are again with my 2005 GMC Sierra. And today I'm going to show you how to change out the batteries on your key fob. This will work with different vehicles. They should all be pretty similar. So I'm going to show you how to get this thing opened up and see what kind of batteries in here and how to change it out. Pretty simple process. And see you in the next step and we'll get going. Alright guys, so here we go. So got your key fob. Need a flathead screwdriver. We're just gonna go ahead and you got to get the key ring off. So I'm sure y'all have done this a million times, kind of a pain in the butt, but just pry it apart there a little bit and then get it over top, work your way around. Boom, got it off there. Okay, so now on these little guys, the battery obviously is inside. Mine, and I think most, if you look around the edge, see it looks pretty straight, just nice regular seam there. And then boom, when you get right here, you can see mine has been changed before. So this thing is a 2005, so she's had some abuse, but you'll see where that's open right there. A lot bigger gap than everywhere else, basically. So that's where you're gonna come in with your screwdriver. You're just gonna stick it right in that opening, just like that, and then twist it sideways. Boom, did you hear that? It popped. So it started to split there, and you can see it going around now. Probably just grab it with your fingers at this point and pop it open all the way around. Or not. Sometimes they're a little stubborn, so you just give it another little nose, a little pry. Just work it around. Okay, there you go. Now we're open. Now you can see there's a gasket in here that just keeps water, dirt, moisture, whatever. There's your battery right there. Okay, so as you can see, mine is a CR2032. Yours may be different. They're all a little bit different. So just come in here and you're just gonna want to pop him out. It's got like little tabs on there. I don't know if you can see them. Just on the four corners, and that's kind of what holds the battery in. So you just want to kind of pop those out a little bit. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a pick also, and you can see there's a little hole right here. Just having a little trouble getting it out with my fingers, so boop, pop it out, battery out. Now we'll just take the new battery, pop it in, and we'll show you how to put this thing back together. All right guys, so we got our new battery, some Energizer CR2032s. Pop one of those out of there. Take our key fob, I'll put it in the same way it came out. Just push it, boom, clicks right into place. Those four tabs, it locks it in. Take it back, slide it on there. You'll just work your way around the edges. Boom, you hear a nice positive click. Now that thing's ready to go. All right, we'll just slide it back on the old key ring here. Try her out. Hear the honk. Working as advertised. All right, we got our new batteries in there. Hopefully this helped some of you out. So you can find your car in the parking lot, set your security, lock and unlock your doors. Anyways, should be the same for most key fobs, but this is 2005 GMC. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and I'm gonna keep trying to push out some of these how-to videos more and more. Anyways, all right, well, keep them on the road, and we'll see you in the next video.